What's going on, guys, and welcome back to Drive New Hampshire. Now today it's another how-to video. Get out of the way! Go!
Come here, Dozer.
What's going on, guys, and welcome back to Drive New Hampshire. Now today I'm going to be showing you how to clean your headlights, but we're going to be doing a little comparison video as well. On one of the headlights we're going to be using Crest toothpaste. On the other, Meguiar's Plastex cleaner. We're going to see which headlight becomes the cleanest using which product, and that will be which product you should use on your headlights. Comment in the comment section down below on which you think is going to work better. Do you think the Meguiar's Plastex is going to work better, or do you think the regular Crest toothpaste is going to work? Comment down below and let me know what you think. Alright guys, so these headlights are completely finished now. On this side we used Crest toothpaste and actually did a really good job. But if you look at the other side, the Meguiar's Plastex did a phenomenal job. This stuff worked really well and I'd highly recommend it if you're going to clean your headlights. But if you're in a pinch, you're going to a show or something and you don't have any of this stuff on you, and you do have toothpaste, I sure hope you use toothpaste, then you can use some of this stuff and get a really good shine on your headlights. But if you can, go to the store, get this Meguiar's Plastex. It works phenomenal, and it took all of 5 minutes to do the headlights. Alright guys, so I hope this video helped you out. If you're dealing with foggy headlights, this should help you see a lot better at night. Again, I will include links to the description for this Meguiar's, and I will also include a link for the Crest toothpaste in case you don't know where to get that. But thanks again for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't. I will see you all in the next video. Happy motoring.